Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Hadoop on Ubuntu, full guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling Hadoop from your Ubuntu system, first, open a terminal window. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard. Before proceeding, it's important to stop any running Hadoop services. Use the command stop-dfs.sh to stop the Hadoop distributed file system. Next, stop the YARN services by running stop-yarn.sh. Once the services are stopped, you can remove Hadoop files. Navigate to the directory where Hadoop is installed. Typically, this is /usr/local/Hadoop, but it can vary based on your installation. Use the command cd/usr/local/Hadoop. Now, to remove the Hadoop directory, execute sudo rmr Hadoop. This command will delete the entire Hadoop installation directory. Next, you need to remove any environment variables related to Hadoop. Open your .bashrc file using a text editor, like this, nano/.bashrc. Locate any lines that export Hadoop-related variables, such as Hadoop_home. Comment out these lines by adding a hashtag at the beginning or delete them entirely. Save the .bashrc file and exit the editor. To apply your changes, run source/.bashrc. Now, you should remove the Hadoop user if you created one during installation. Use the command sudo deluser Hadoop. If you created a specific Hadoop group, remove it as well using sudo del group Hadoop. Finally, check for any leftover configuration files in your home directory. These files usually start with a dot, like .hadoop or .hdfs. Remove them using the command rmrf/.hadoop. After completing these steps, Hadoop should be fully uninstalled from your Ubuntu system. You may want to restart your terminal or system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.